Welcome to the 3CX Quick Start Guide presented by Voxtelesys. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to add bulk DID numbers. To begin, log into the 3CX Management Console. From the 3CX dashboard, click on the Inbound Rules tab. Check the box next to the inbound rule or rules you wish to add bulk numbers to, then click on the Export button. Open the exported CSV file. All the fields shown can be changed, but name and ports are the ones to note. The name field defines the name of the inbound rule, while the ports field defines the SIP trunk identity. There has to be some data entered in each field for it to import successfully, so enter the information shown. Save the changes you made by clicking on File in the upper left corner, then click on Save. If a Confirm File Format message appears, click on Use Text CSV format. You can now import the file. Click on Import and select your saved file. It should have automatically saved to your downloads. Select the CSV file and import it. Verify the imported numbers and make any changes to the rules to match your routing. Congratulations! You've successfully created and imported bulk DID numbers in 3CX. Check back for more helpful videos on 3CX, as well as other helpful guides.